She could do this. She's 5. She could do this.
1 o'clock.
She could do this. Look at her.
Okay, let me ask Steven just to see what we're doing, and then I think we're going to go to Narissa's. I told her at 4. What time did you think I was going there? I know, I did too. So I told her, because I still need to do some stuff. So I had thought it was going to be more like 5 because Michael's not coming home till like 6.
That's it, just like that.
All right, or we'll swing by yours to get him. You don't have to drop him at Narissa's.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you want me to send with them?
Cheese.
Did it.
Okay.
Oh, mailman off the side of the road.
Okay.
Cheese in her pouch.
Yeah.
I know, I will. All right, I'll bring them to you though. You don't have to come here. That's ridiculous. Yeah, I have to go out. Oh, you're out? Yeah, what time are you coming back? After Target? All right, come by and pick them up if you want. Oh, right into the mailman truck. Good thing we don't need to be friends with the mailman. Yeah, I mean, you guys are more than welcome to come by. We'd love to see you for a minute. Okay, sounds good. Bye. My parents are coming over in about an hour.
Technical difficulties.